हेलो गाइस, आई होप कि आप सब लोग घर पर सेफ हैं। तो आज हम करने जा रहे हैं ट्रम्प ऑफ सर्जरी के टॉप एमसीक्यूज़। एंड यार, इन एमसीक्यूज़ के पीडीएफ का लिंक तो मैंने नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया हुआ है। सो अगर आपको लगता है कि आपने स्टोरी अच्छे से कर रखी है तो आप लोग जाके डायरेक्टली उन्हें भी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। चलिए बढ़ते हैं अपने पहले क्वेश्चन की ओर। हु डू यू ब्लेम फॉर ट्रिकीज इलनेस? ऑप्शन ए मिसेस पंफरी, ऑप्शन बी ट्रिकी, ऑप्शन सी हैरियट, ऑप्शन डी veterinary doctor, and the correct answer is Mrs. Pumphrey. Next question comes here. Who would you describe the vet? Option A tactful, option B overdoing, option C careless, option D irrational, and the correct answer is tactful. Next question comes here. What did they use out of this? Option A toys, option B cushions, option C quotes, option D none of above, and the correct answer is none of above. Next question comes here. What made the narrator call Mrs. Pumphrey after a fortnight? Option A Tricky got recovered, option B Tricky got unwell, option C he knew she is suffering, option D both A and C, and the correct answer is both A and C. Next question comes here. What did Mrs. Pumphrey bring at first? Option A 2 dozen fresh eggs, option B 4 dozen fresh egg, option C wine, option D both A and C, and the correct answer is 4 dozen fresh eggs. Next question comes here. What does the narrator refer to Tricky as in the ground of other dogs? Option A silky little object, option B shaggy little object, option C he didn't say anything, option D none of above, and the correct answer is silky little object. Next question comes here. What is the meaning of the word jostling? Option A running, option B struggling, option C walking, option D none of above, and the correct answer is struggling. Next question comes here. Who was Joe? Option A nurse, option B pug, option C greyhound, option D cat, and the correct answer is greyhound. Next question comes here. Why did the other dogs ignore Tricky? Option A he was an uninteresting object, option B he was ill, option C he was furious, option D all of above, and the correct answer is all of above. Next question comes here. How was Tricky acting? Option A refusing to eat his favorite food, option B didn't go for walks, option C vomiting, option D all of above, and the correct answer is all of above. Next question comes here. Was the narrator waiting for a call from Mrs. Pumphrey? Option A no, option B yes, option C maybe, option D maybe not, and the correct answer is yes. Next question comes here. What was the dog unable to play? Option A ring throw, option B walk, option C hide and seek, option D all of above, and the correct answer is ring throw. Next question comes here. Did Mrs. Pumphrey cut down on sweets as was advised? Option A yes, option B no, option C only for a while, option D she was not advised anything like that, and the correct answer is only for a while. Next question comes here. What is the name of the vet surgeon? Option A Tricky, option B Mrs. Pumphrey, option C Hodgkin, option D Mr. Harriet, and the correct answer is Mr. Harriet. Next question comes here. Who is the author of the story A Trump of Surgery? Option A James Harriet, option B Ruskin Bond, option C Robert Arthur, option D Victor Canning, and the correct answer is James Harriet. Next question comes here. At his surgery, the doctor gave Tricky no food for dash days. Option A 2, option B 3, option C 4, option D 5, and the correct answer is 2. Next question comes here. What was Tricky's real disease? Option A stomach pain, option B vomiting due to overfeeding, option C cholera, option D fever, and the correct answer is vomiting due to overfeeding. Next question comes here. I think I know a cure for you. What is the cure? Option A controlling Tricky's diet, option B giving him a surgery, option C giving injections, option D keeping under observation, and the correct answer is controlling Tricky's diet. Next question comes here. The dogs at the clinic took no interest in Tricky because he was option A dull and boring, option B not of their race, option C of small size, option D more powerful than them, and the correct answer is dull and boring. Next question comes here. When Mr. Harriet took Tricky to his clinic, Mrs. Pumphrey was option A happy, option B excited, option C willing, option D thanking the doctor, and the correct answer is willing. Next question comes here. When Tricky was seriously ill, who did Mrs. Pumphrey make a frantic call? Option A, to her son. Option B, to her husband. Option C, to a vet doctor, Mr. Harriet. Option D, to her maid servant. And the correct answer is to a vet doctor, Mr. Harriet. Next question comes here. Tricky falls ill because option A, he met an accident. Option B, of bad weather. Option C, he did not get proper food to eat. Option D, his mistress overfed him. And the correct answer is his mistress overfed him. Next question comes here. What was the name of Mrs. Pumphrey's dog? Option A, Ben. Option B, Tommy. Option C, Tricky. Option D, Johnny. And the correct answer is Tricky. Next question comes here. Why is the narrator tempted to keep up Tricky as a permanent guest? Option A, because he loved Tricky. Option B, because he thought Mrs. Pumphrey wouldn't take good care of Tricky. Option C, they would lose all luxurious like eggs, wine and brandy. Option D, none of above. And the correct answer is they would lose all luxurious like eggs, wine and brandy. Next question comes here. Was Tricky happy on seeing Mrs. Pumphrey? Option A, yes. Option B, no. Option C, maybe. Option D, she had no emotions. And the correct answer is yes. Next question comes here. How would you describe Mrs. Pumphrey? Option A, loving. Option B, overdoing. Option C, intelligent. Option D, rational. And the correct answer is overdoing. Next question comes here. In 2 weeks, he had been transformed into a lithe, hard-muscled animal. What is the meaning of the word lithe here? Option A, dirty. Option B, graceful. Option C, misbehaving. Option D, rude. And the correct answer is graceful. Next question comes here. How did the staff benefit from Mrs. Pumphrey overdoing? Option A, breakfast with eggs. Option B, lunch with wine. Option C, dinner with brandy. Option D, all of above. And the correct answer is all of above. Next question comes here. What is the meaning of convalescing? Option A, condescending. Option B, worsen. Option C, disappointing. Option D, recover. And the correct answer is recover. Next question comes here. What is the meaning of the word scrimmage here? Option A, fight. Option B, play. Option C, run. Option D, none of above. And the correct answer is fight. Next question comes here. What did the dogs know about food? Option A, last one will be liable to have competition for the leftover food. Option B, there was no competition. Option C, it wasn't good. Option D, it was the best part of the body. And the correct answer is last ones will be liable to have competition for leftover food. Next question comes here. What was best according to vet? Option A, to take him to hospital. Option B, to take him for a walk. Option C, to let him have sugar. Option D, both B and C. And the correct answer is to take him to hospital. What is the meaning of distraught? Option A, bend. Option B, worried. Option C, upset. Option D, both B and C. And the correct answer is both B and C. Next question comes here. What did the doctor advise? Option A, cut his food. Option B, give him more exercise. Option C, keep him on a very strict diet. Option D, all of above. And the correct answer is all of above. Next question comes here. Who is Hodgkin? Option A, dog's owner. Option B, gardener. Option C, veterinary surgeon. Option D, dog. And the correct answer is gardener. Next question comes here. What problem does Mrs. Pumphrey think Tricky has? Option A, diarrhea. Option B, malnutrition. Option C, allergies. Option D, none of above. And the correct answer is malnutrition. Next question comes here. What was Tricky's main fault? Option A, fatness. Option B, inactivity. Option C, laziness. Option D, greed. And the correct answer is greed. Next question comes here. Mrs. Pumphrey was a very dash lady. Option A, miser. Option B, poor. Option C, cruel. Option D, rich. And the correct answer is rich. Next question comes here. What did the doctor give Tricky at his clinic? Option A, many injections. Option B, medicines. Option C, no food for 2 days. Option D, only milk and chocolate. And the correct answer is no food for 2 days. Next question comes here. Where did Mr. Harriet take Tricky? Option A, to his clinic. Option B, to Mrs. Pumphrey's house. Option C, to a public hospital for vets. And the correct answer is to his clinic. Next question comes here. Who was Mrs. Pumphrey worried about? Option A, herself. Option B, her maid servant. Option C, her dog Tricky. Option D, her son. And the correct answer is her dog Tricky. सो गाइस, यही थे हमारे टॉप MCQs जिनके बारे में मैंने तुम्हें अच्छे से बता दिया है। और अगर तुम लोग को और भी कोई चीज़ लगती है तो नीचे कमेंट कर देना, और नीचे जो लिंक्स है उनसे और अच्छे से कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर कर लेना और उन्हें भी चेकआउट कर लेना। एंड मेक श्योर दैट यू आर सब्सक्राइबिंग द चैनल, बिकॉज जितने भी चैप्टर तुम्हारे टर्म 1 में आ रहे हैं सभी के MCQs कुछ इसी प्रकार से तुम्हारे पास पहुंच रहे होंगे। ठीक, सो थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग एंड गुड बाय।